30 minutes of just doing this, and I don't want to do it anymore because magaling yun ang ulo ko. Okay, nice.
You know, with the hyperproductive.
I know, right? Ibuya. Well, hindi ko na napag-isay sa camera. Much content. Ano, may cap. Ang problema lang like, it sucks sa low light. Ay, it sucks sa no light.
No light.
But,
no light, oh.
But low light is nice.
Low light is okay.
Yeah, low light is
No
fine.
light is bad.
What are your flavor?
Ah! Bayi-bayi and pistachio. Oh, the bad one.
Nag-block sa Miko kag tequilos. Tequilos, yeah.
Ginunahan ko pa ka.
Oo lang.